Hello everyone, nubkeks here, welcome back to Nub Raids, and in today's video, we actually have a brand new promo code for you to use in Raid Shadow Legends thanks to Bluestacks. Bluestacks has actually sponsored this video, and as you can see right here, we're actually right now, I'm playing a brand new account on Bluestacks 5, right, which is their most up-to-date version of this software, and it's absolutely incredible. You can see how smoothly the game is running here. What is BlueStacks though? Well, BlueStacks 5 is an Android emulator for your PC. So basically, you can run everything you run on your phone, on your Android phone. BlueStacks 5 runs it on PC, on top of having a whole bunch of really useful extra features. And I'm going to show you some of those features here in this little showcase. But yeah, it's great, right? So what do we have going on? What are some of the cool things that we can do here on BlueStacks that you're going to want to take advantage of? Well, one of my favorite things is actually we click this button over here, and this is eco mode. So this is actually going to, you can see it kick into effect right away. It's going to really reduce the frame rate of our game, and you can completely customize this. So I set this to 10 FPS. If we want to speed it up, we can set it to 30 FPS, and bam, everything is running faster. The purpose of this eco mode, which is just great, I think 10 is a really useful thing for running in the background, is basically if you end up in this situation, right, where you're at work, set it to 10, bam, there we go. Let's turn this off temporarily. You know, you're working during the day, you're using your PC, and you want to have as little of an impact on your system as possible. This is a great way to do it. We can actually see, if we look here by default, BlueStacks is taking only about 11% or so, 12% of my CPU right now. Memory is only 146 megabytes. Good old Google Chrome is eating way more than that. We're using about 11% of my GPU. It's actually very light. It's a really great platform that's not too intensive on your PC. Now, if I stick it into eco mode and we're going to reduce that, we're going to see some really instant results. We're down to only 2.8% of GPU. Excuse me, 2.8% or so of CPU, and down to only 1.5% of GPU, right? So for running the game in the background and having no impact really on your system, almost negligible. Absolutely incredible feature, so useful. So there we go, and you can just flick it on just like that, back and forth. Really great stuff. The other feature I want to show you really fast, very cool, you actually have a multi-instance manager, and this is something really special. So you can actually run multiple copies of BlueStacks at the same time. And the cool thing that you can do in Raid, this is a little bit cheeky. So you guys can invite friends to play the game. You can invite friends to play the game, and you get some nice rewards when they get to level 50. The cheeky thing you can do is you can actually refer yourself. Now, they don't technically want you to do this, so if you try to refer yourself on a device that already has Raid installed and you've been playing it on, it won't actually work. But because BlueStacks is an emulator and you're emulating a different phone basically every single time, you can refer yourself multiple times, and then I can come in here in my second or third or fourth. I can run multiple instances at the same time. I can go into Raid, start up those new accounts with my referral codes, and I'm off. I'm away. Really sneaky, really cheeky, and you can just run all of these with very low impact on your performance at the same time. I'm not going to do it right now here, but you can do that, you know, because I'm too lazy to set it up. But you can absolutely do that and get yourself a ton of crazy rewards, which is super cheeky, but very handy. Now, the other big thing that we're going to be seeing today in the showcase, we do have a new promo code thanks to BlueStacks. And this also shows you, you know, that BlueStacks and Raid, they get on very well. They have an official code in the game. So typing in BlueStacks Raid, click confirm. Here we go. And boom, look at this. We just got a whole bunch of rewards. You'll find them up in your inbox over here. We get a chicken, we get some brews, we get a rare book, XP boost, and we're going to get some energy as well. So yeah, thank you to BlueStacks. Absolutely fantastic. A bunch of free resources, no cost to you whatsoever. And again, this is a great time to be starting to play the game because we have the Deliana chase on as well, which is running until the 28th of July, where if you log in for 7 days, you'll get Deliana, a free legendary champion. So no better time to start playing. For this promo code, by the way, it's running from today, which is the 16th of June, and that's running until, I believe it is the 1st of July. Yes, it's going to work. This promo code will work until the 1st of July, so make sure to use it by then. A couple of other cool, quick, techie things I want to show you that you can do here in BlueStacks 5. Really handy, this button here, trim memory. Click that, boom. 234 megabytes of memory freed up, right? It's going to take any of the RAM that's currently inactive that's been taken by the program, in this case RAID is using, and this is going to clear that up to speed up your machine even more. Brilliant stuff. And then something which I haven't used here because I'm not smart enough to go through and actually set it up, but you can see we can bring up actual BlueStacks controls. You can change their opacity. You can change like the scheme for how it works. You can go into this advanced editor and you can tweak every single one of these buttons to do all sorts of different things. So you can really, really customize it. Kind of intense for me. That's a bit too intense for me. I'm going to turn it off for myself. Just for that cleaner screen look. But if you really want to min-max your game and be really clever about, making macros to do certain things and setting up your game exactly the way you want it, you can absolutely do that here in BlueStacks as well and emulate some of those touchscreen functionality and stuff on your PC too, which otherwise you wouldn't be able to do. So, I think that's pretty much everything we need to talk about. I've been really impressed with BlueStacks, running really well. I just love the fact that you can run multiple modes of the game and that you have all of those eco-friendly options for keeping your PC running well, that it does work so well in those senses. So yeah, again, thank you to BlueStacks for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoy the promo code. And I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.